What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. And in this video I'm going to review something very special, something very unique. So do you want to smell dark, mysterious, yet elegant? Then this perfume is for you. And here I'm talking about French Avenue's Axis. And trust me guys, this is something wow, something amazing. So let's start a review, and as always we will start with the presentation first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So you will get this perfume in this amazing presentation. You can see the box here. It's a solid box, a lot of ingredient details in the back, the logo of French Avenue, and you can see the name of the perfume, Axis, with the logo of French Avenue once again, logo on the top, and then manufacturing date, some barcode in the bottom. So this is the solid box, and then you have to slide it like a drawer to get your bottle. And here you go. And bottle once again is so unique. Let me show you. So this is the kind of box you will get with this perfume, and this is the bottle. You can see the detailing around here on the top. This part is made of metal, even the cap here is made of metal, and it's very heavy. The finishing, everything is so good. And here in the bottom you will get the name of the perfume once again, Axis, and then here French Avenue, the branding for French Avenue, and this black bottle, plain black bottle. It would be great if they print something here, you know, French Avenue Axis in gold. It will look great, but it is what it is. You will get this black barrel-shaped bottle with this beautiful metallic, or I don't know, axis, if it's a compass or something, but whatever it is, it looks gorgeous. So this is about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. Let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top you will get freesia and plum. In the mid you will get amber and woodsy notes. In the base you will get vanilla and labdanum. So this is the notes breakdown, and now let's see that how this perfume actually smells. So this is a perfume which is based on plum and vanilla, a lot of plum, but the plum used here is not that fresh and juicy. Yes, you'll get that little bit juicy kind of feel here, but this leans more towards the dried plum. So if you take that dried plum, that sweet, heavy, thick, dark dried plum, mixed it with a lot of powdery vanilla, so you will get something like this, and then add some freesia on the top. Florals are not very strong here, but yeah, you will get freesia, but mainly you will get a lot of dried plum and powdery vanilla. Vanilla is a little bit warm, it's soft, it's powdery, so it smells very unique and very nice. And then you will also get some spiciness from amber, and then towards the second phase it becomes a little bit leathery, woodsy and musky kind of scent. That leather is coming from the use of labdanum. Labdanum gives you that soft leathery kind of nuances, so that's what you will get here. So towards the second phase it becomes leathery, the woods start to become more prominent, and you will also start to get some musk. So the transition is very nice, and the overall blending quality, everything is so good. It's smooth, it's not harsh at all, and smells really beautiful. That sweet plum and vanilla is always there from start till end, but they become a little bit soft, they go in the back, and woody notes, leather and musk take the front stage. So this is about the journey of this perfume. Very nice, very unique. This is a niche fragrance with a price of less than designers. You know, the price of this perfume is even less than the price of some designer perfumes. The vibe here is sensual, mysterious and dark, best for cold evenings, you know, and especially for some romantic dates. If you want to portray that 007 James Bond kind of personality, then this is something for you. And now let's talk about the inspiration behind this perfume. So this is an original creation from the house of French Avenue, and the perfumer behind this perfume is Mr. Jean-Louis Suzak. If I'm not butchering his name, I'm really sorry. This is, I think, the name Jean-Louis Suzak. So that's the perfumer behind this scent. And this perfume is going to remind you a very famous perfume from the house of Byredo, and that perfume is Vanilla Antique. But once you are going to smell both of them side by side, you will know that these are not the exact scents. Yes, it's in the same ballpark, but there are differences. So for me, it's a unique scent, and it's good on its own. An original creation from the house of French Avenue, and this one smells really gorgeous. So this was about the fragrance, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. Let's talk about performance. The performance here is really great, solid. The longevity is, I can say, 10 to 12 hours plus easily if you start with like 6 to 8 sprays. It's going to stay with you. And projection is also great. Sillage is great. Once you're going to interact with people, they will be able to smell it on you. And you can refresh this perfume in the 7th hour, in the 6th or 7th hour if you want, want always to smell loud. Otherwise, if you do like 6 to 8 sprays, it's good for the whole day if you're staying indoors. But if you're going outdoors, you can refresh it, like do like 4 more sprays and you'll be good to go. So this is about the performance. Performance is great. For the gender, this is a unisex scent. Ladies or gents, anyone can use it. No issue at all. But in my humble opinion, it leans a little bit more towards the masculine side. For the age group, you should be mature. You should be like around 22, 23 years of age or plus of this age. And if you talk about the season or weather, the best experience will come in cold weather, in winters, and especially in the evenings. This is a night, evening kind of scent. If you're going on a wedding, in the night time, you're going in a party, in the pub, in club, on a date where you want to make a statement, then this will work really great. Not for the sports activities, not for the gym. Yes, you can use this perfume in your office, in your meetings if you want. This will be smelling great. But the best scenario is like party, clubbing, pubs, weddings, dates, these kind of things. So this was about the occasion. And now let's talk about the price. So you will get this perfume with this beautiful presentation. The quantity you will get here is 100 ml and the concentration is Eau de Parfum. And the current price of this beautiful niche scent nowadays in UAE is 160 dirhams. And for 160 dirhams, guys, this is really great scent. The quality, blending, the fragrance, everything is great. Niche, smooth, and just wow. For 160 dirham, it's nothing. If they put the same juice in any famous big brand's bottle, you will be paying like 2 to 3 times more happily. So check it out and don't trust me blindly. Check it out if you can. And if you like these kind of sweet, powdery, vanilla based scents with some leather and woody notes, then you are going to love it. So this was my review about Axis from the house of French Avenue. I hope you liked the review. I'm going to catch you in my another review of some another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.